Are you struggling trading at pocket option manually? Are you losing money because you don't manage to follow the rules? Are your emotion taking over every single time? Are you revenge trading? Well, I have the solution for you. In this video, I will show you pocket option auto trader. This one will trade completely automatically for you at pocket option. So, if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. And if you want to have this binary option robot completely for free, just use the link that you find below the video and you can start today also. Now let's start up and let's see how the binary option robot will do on the real market. So there you have it. This is the type of results you can get when you just turn on a bot and don't need to trade with emotions. As you can see, we got now 100% win rate, 3 trades in a row, and I even made $897 in matter of minutes. So if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, use the link that you find below the video and you also can get started today completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.